can really help you make comics like these. And I wouldn't say that these are the best, but the thing is that it's going somewhere. You see, I made this comic. It might not make sense. I'll let you know in a while. But I made it from a single prompt from this website, and I'll tell you where to make it from. So the prompt I gave it was a time travel accidentally becomes their own great granddad. So great grandparent actually. So that's how it made this one. So there's a woman that who's saying that this can't be right. I've never seen this place before. What's going on here? Where am I? Who am I? So it kind of tried to make a comic like this, but it isn't the perfect. And I would say that in future we might get even better generations from these. But the good thing is on this website you can even edit these dialogues that you see on the images in the comics, and you can also select these various styles including Japanese, humanoid, 3D render. It all seems like pretty interesting, especially at this stage in AI. So how did I generate this? Let me show you. So I went to Claude AI and I gave it a prompt, give me one paragraph random comic story. It made me a big story which we couldn't use in that website. Then I gave it the prompt, give me one line idea, and it gave me this one: a time traveler accidentally becomes their own great grandparent. Now let us try that website again, and this time with a different prompt. Claude is also interesting. I also use ChatGPT as well, but you can try out Claude AI. It's also free, and you can subscribe to the pro version as well, but the free one works pretty well. So the prompt we have is: a sentient house plant plot to take over the world one living room at a time. I'm gonna copy this, and what I'm gonna do is I'll go to Google and I'll write AI comic factory, and this is the first website that will pop up. You don't need to go to this one because you will have to pay here to use this, but you will have to go to this second one which is on Hugging Face. So AI comic factory on Hugging Face. So click on this one. Once you are here, you have to select your style from here. In the style, let's do Japanese, and here let us write our comic prompt. And now it says that AI comic factory is a free app compatible with many vendors. By default, it is using Hugging Face for story and image generation. Our service is free of charge, but we would like you to sign in. So you can only make one for free, but then you will have to sign in with Hugging Face to use this. So let me just sign in. So I couldn't sign in because of some reason, but you can also sign up, or if you don't have an account, and then you can generate stories from here. So I actually removed the previous incognito tab and I opened a new one. Let's see if I am able to generate it this time. So yeah, this works. If you don't have an account, and you can use this method. Go into incognito tab and then you can open it again. So this is the kind of stuff it's generating. It hasn't populated these captions on this one, but let's see what it makes for us. So it has actually got the idea, and let's see how relevant this AI comic is. So this plot is saying, I have been plotting for years, waiting for the perfect moment to seize control. Planet Earth is mine for the taking. And here this character is saying, wow, what a unique plant. It almost looks like me. It's staring at me. Then we have, rejoice my beloved plant brethren. Our day of conquest has finally arrived. And this one finally says, yes, my dear human, you will be the first in a long line of victims that will aid me in my mission. This is an interesting one. Better than the previous one, I would say. So you can try out the other styles as well. And I found this website pretty interesting. So it's hosted on Hugging Face, and I think you should definitely try this out as well. And I also make videos on my channel on AI related tools, and I'm also trying out all this new stuff and I'm sharing it with you guys as well. And it's sort of like collective learning for us all. So if you are interested in any of that type of content, you might be seeing two videos on your channel that might be more relevant to your liking. So I'll see you in those. And before you go, If you made it till here, I would love for you to leave a thoughtful comment down below and let me know that you watched till here.